The Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate Certification Exam assesses an individual's ability to use the Databricks Lakehouse platform to complete introductory data engineering tasks. Let us go through the exam overview. The duration of the exam is 90 minutes. There are 45 multiple choice questions that appear on the exam, and we need to complete at least correct 32 questions out of the 45 questions that are there. The cost of the exam is $200 and testers are able to retake the exam as many times as they would like to, but they need to pay USD $200 for each of the attempt. The exam overview. There are 11 questions out of 45 questions based on Databricks Lakehouse platform. 13 questions are based on the ETL with Spark, SQL and Python. 10 questions on incremental data processing. 7 questions on productionizing the pipelines. And 4 questions on data governance. The Databricks certification are taken through the web accessor platform via this link. You need to create an account there and schedule your exam. You will be monitored by a webcam by a web accessor proctor, and I read somewhere that they actually might ask you to provide a valid photo based identification, so keep your photo based ID with you before you start for the exam. They might actually make you to download a special web browser, that is a locked browser, that you need to install before the exam. The instructions will be emailed to you from the Databricks email. Just in case you are working from a work laptop and cannot install an application, I will suggest you to arrange for a personal device in which you are able to install that application. The certification exams are automatically graded and you will receive your result immediately. The badge and the certificate will be received within 48 hours of passing the exam. Then the type of questions. There are concept based questions and there are code based questions. This is an example of concept based questions. The concept based questions will be based on the core concepts of the topics that are part of the certification. You might want to pause here to answer it yourself and check the answer on the next slide. Here is an example of the code based questions. The code based questions could be on the SQL language or PySpark language. Pause here to answer it yourself and check the answer on the next slide. Databricks also offers a practice exam for the Data Engineer Associate certification. The practice exam can be downloaded here in the PDF format from this link. The questions in the practice exam are no longer on the actual exam. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching the tutorial and I wish you a very best for your exam.